Good morning, everyone. Jerson is here again, finishing up the gates. We're done buying for our gifts for later. For now, we're going here to buy a roller for the paint. We're done buying a roller. Where to next? Got that.
Glass sa my JBC.
Now we're moving to JBC to buy some glass for the newcomers. New joiners pala. So here's the glass that we're buying for the last two joiners for the Christmas party today. Hello, Mike Test. Hello, Mike Test.
Test, basta ang spaghetti yung giloto ko gina. Okay lang. Very Italian egg. Itsura sa Italian egg. Hey guys, I'm
I'll show you something. Building sa kanila. Shout out Shote. Okay.
Dito sa gina-push pero sa nito to kagamo ng tingin mas wilas. Depende mo naman kasi sa kanila dito ko. Sinasalat ko.
Happy New Year po! Kain po tayo! Bulgatan! Ang sarap nito, sobra, masarap, super, as in.
Lahat.
Yeah, it's from Maxim's, from my cousin. Thank you Manang Ping, super sarap.
That you let me see my whole life, my idea of perfect Christmas, sending me something stronger than moon above, 'cause it's magic when two people
Hi guys! Happy New Year!
Hi guys, Happy New Year.
So we're going to the other house.
Happy New Year guys. Happy New Year.
So kapamutos na kami. This one is from Maxim's. It's free. Free from this Bilao, the Belicho from Maxim's. So, yun na nga guys. I-keep na namin para bukas hindi na kami magpapalabas ng pera. Kasi sabi nila bawal daw magpalabas ng pera every January 1st. So 2 ka na pwedeng bumili. So yun. So we're thankful na we have hope. So hope yung tawag namin dyan sa kanya. And also, hindi na namin siya binili na para lang sa bahay. Binili namin siya for negosyo. Yun. Para magka-ROI kami. Kasi mahirap naman bumili ng mga appliances na hindi naman nag-ROI, diba? Kasi hindi naman tayo mayaman na kumikita ng pera. Yan nga, kumikita ng pera. Kaya kailangan talaga namin mag-work hard. So we have hope. We want to share to you our very simple, humble ref, Kundura, and its name is Hope. Just like Jesus. God sent Jesus to the world as hope to the humankind. Oh. So guys, we're keeping the food. So we have food for the rest of today because today is January 1st na.
Ano ba na ano?